In the last videos, we discussed about linear equation in two variable. So now we are about to discuss quadratic equation. So good morning everybody. So let's start quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? We have discussed about polynomial, quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So they all were related to degrees. Like we used to write ax square, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In polynomial we used to write this like ax square plus bx plus c, ax plus b and ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. If we recall polynomial, we used to discuss like this, like we used to define the polynomial by its degrees, like its degree is 4 it is biquadratic, degree is 3 it is cubic, degree is 2 it is quadratic, and degree is 1 it is linear. So we have to deal with this quadratic polynomial related with quadratic equation. So let's discuss what is quadratic equation. So first define what is quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x. A quadratic equation in the variable x is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. यानी कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जिसका फॉर्मेट क्या होगा ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 वेयर a b एंड c बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर, जहां पे a b और c ये तीनों के तीनों रियल नंबर होंगे और क्या होगा कि a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ पहला चीज की ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन किस फॉर्म में होगा. लेट्स सपोज इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x. y में भी हो सकता था, किसी भी वेरिएबल में हो सकता था. ay स्क्वायर प्लस by प्लस c इक्वल टू 0, az स्क्वायर प्लस bz प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकता था. रिक्वायरमेंट है कि a b और c रियल नंबर होंगे और a 0 नहीं होगा. a 0 नहीं होने का मतलब क्या कि डिग्री इस इक्वेशन का 2 है, यानी क्वाड्रेटिक होने का सिंबल ही इसका डिग्री 2 होना, और डिग्री अगर इसका 2 है तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक है. अगर a ही 0 हो जाएगा तो ये पूरा का पूरा टर्म 0 हो जाएगा, फिर ये लीनियर आ जाएगा, फिर ये क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं रहेगा, है ना. सो इसीलिए ये तीन रिक्वायरमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू बी अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट्स सॉल्यूशन. सो वी कैन राइट इट लाइक x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's compare with this. What is the coefficient of x square here? So a is equal to 1. What is b? 5. What is c? Plus 6. So this is the, so let's talk about solution of quadratic equation. Let's suppose what is the root of the quadratic equation? So root of the quadratic equation क्या है? Root of the quadratic equation is the value which satisfies the equation. By putting that value we get the desired value as 0. Like ax, this is the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If alpha is the root of this equation, अगर अल्फा इसका रूट है, what does it mean? This implies a alpha square plus b alpha plus c that is equal to 0. So this is about the root of quadratic equation. Or if alpha is the root, this symbolizes two things. What are those two things? First one is that कि x is equal to alpha. It means x is equal to alpha satisfies this quadratic equation. And what is the second meaning? That x is equal to alpha means this is the alpha is the solution of this quadratic equation. So this is all about root of the quadratic equation. It can be similarized with the nature of polynomials of quadratic equation. Like in polynomial we used to say zeros of polynomial. So in this quadratic equation we will say roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so now let's talk about solving a quadratic equation. So we will deal with the first form, we will deal with the first method, solving the quadratic equation, solving the quadratic equation by factorization method. By factorization method. Let's suppose this is the polynomial ax square plus, this is the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if it can be written in the form of the product of two factors, that is px plus q or rx plus s. Let's suppose these are the two factors of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what does it mean? It means px plus q, this can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This implies this can be written as px plus q multiplied by rx plus s, that is equal to 0. What does it mean? If the product of two number is 0, two factor is 0, it means either this is 0 or this is 0. If this is 0, what does it mean? Px plus q is equal to 0. It means px is equal to minus q, or we can say x is equal to minus q by p. Similarly, we can find this value also. Like rx plus s is equal to 0. This means rx is equal to minus s and x is equal to minus s by r. So this minus s by r and this minus q by p are the roots of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is all about the introduction of quadratic equation. Okay, that's all.